All right, how's it going, guys? All right, thank you for watching my videos, okay? Subscribing to my YouTube channel, and let's make some money, okay? I got a great email from a guy today, and I'm going to read along with it a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and show my screen of what I emailed him back, because it does make sense what he emailed me. And I think what I'm going to do is just come up with a video series, and I'll upload it on a website, and it's free. I mean, it's just going to be a web link, and I'm going to have kind of a to-do list, like, okay, this is what I do, this is what I do, this is how you join. Just make it really simple, okay, and just put everything in order. When it comes down to the opportunities that I talk about, just about every day, every hour, right here on my YouTube channel, okay? So anyway, I'm talking about multiple income funnel right now. All right, now I'm in LiveGood as well and my lead gen. Those are my three amigos. Okay, they are the three wise men, the three musketeers. I'm trying to think of all the other threesomes that would be fun. I think that was 1989 in the back seat of a Camaro. No, just kidding. I wish. All us guys are like, yeah, threesomes. And it's always guys like the three amigos, the three musketeers. Three girls. What are, okay, how about the Dixie Chicks? Aren't they three? Okay, I'll figure it out. All right, anyway, the multiple income funnel. A lot of fun, guys. It's a cool website. And this is something that I've been doing now for about 3 months. And it's making me some real nice money. Okay, substantial amounts of money. And that's because I have 4 things that you join, and all 4 complement each other. And the nice thing is when you put it in this, I guess you can call it a funnel, but basically it's 4 opportunities into one. So I can see the funnel thing, like, maybe open up your engine to your car and take out the dipstick and the oil cap and kind of check your oil. And if you need some oil, you're like, well, whip out the funnel. All right, put that funnel in the oil cap area there and just pour some oil in, okay? That's how I always think of a funnel. Even a funnel in Iowa in the Midwest is kind of like a tornado. But with this online thing that we're all doing, the funnel is nothing more than 4 great opportunities that are into one. Okay? So if you'd like to just do the beginning stages here, please watch video.com. Okay? In my video series, if people want to look into the multiple income funnel, this is step 1. Yeah, you just got to watch this YouTube video. Okay, click the red button and sit and watch it multiple times. You don't have to join right away. If you want to join tomorrow, a week from now, maybe even 2 or 3 months, or if you're not into it, you just delete my email or my message and you move on with your day. And I move on with my day. Okay, Jose? So step 1, please watch video.com. All right, it's well done. It's a very cool thing, okay? Now, let me go to the back office of this website, and this is what it looks like after you join. And these are the 3, well, there's 4 income streams, but I'm gonna tell you why this is considered a threesome in my book. And I'm gonna go to the email the gentleman just wrote me. But anyway, here is my funnel. This is how I configure it. Income 1 out of the 4 is just the funnel itself. This opportunity, okay? People join either by the month or the year. If you join by the month, okay, it's $49. It's half off right now. I sure hope you take advantage of it. So after you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, click the button and follow. And if you want to upgrade to the year, that's what I highly recommend. The reason why my income went up like 10x, like a Grant Cardone video, is because I joined for the year and now my commissions are $200. Okay, I signed up 47 people over the last 30 days. 75% sign up for the year. Okay, that's $200 each person that signs up for the year. It's crazy. Okay, and we'll go over it in more detail. I just want to show you the 4 income streams and then focus on the threesome that I was talking about. Okay, so there's a lot of money that comes in my pocket, and I'm very thankful for the multiple income funnel, just stream 1. Now stream 2 is LiveGood. This is something I hope that you join. All right, I joined this company a year and 1 month ago. All right, and if you want to look into it and watch this YouTube video, just go to joincory.com. You guys will figure it out. If you'd like to join, it's only $49.95. Guys, it's viral. It has just destroyed it. In 2023, we were the top 1, 2, or 3 business opportunities. In 2023, we're easily going to have that title again in 2024. Okay? It's a membership-based website like Amazon. Whatever is inside livegood.com, if you are a member for $10 a month, you get it wholesale. Just like an Amazon. If you're an Amazon Prime member, boom. If you go to Costco here in America, pay your, $60 a year if you're just an individual, $120 a year if you're a business. You go inside Costco, shop. Okay, that's all Live Good is. But it's a very legit business. I hope you look into it. Okay, my lead gen. This is my hidden little secret. Okay, this is my oxygen, my fuel. This is my nitromethane. Guys, you need clicks and views. You need people to look at your online business, whatever it is. If no one sees your opportunity, you could have the best website, the best of whatever, the best office, the best computers. But guys, if people aren't just clicking and looking at what you've got cooking, no one's buying or eating. Okay? So for $1 a day, you can get 100 leads with this company. All right? That's why I love this company blended in with Live Good, because I need views and clicks. I need views and clicks with multiple income funnel. We'll go into traffic authority in a second here, but this is an affordable way to get you a bunch of people, 100 a day, 3,000 people a month for only $30. Now, if people join you in this company, guess what? You get 200 a day. So you go from 3,000 to 6,000 leads a day. A month. 200 a day for $30. And this is an affiliate company too. So I'll show you how that you can, at the very bottom of every email, just put a link to join this opportunity. And why not make money, cash? And on top of it, why not get 200 leads a day versus 100? Okay, so this one is awesome. I have 5 accounts with this company. They're outstanding. Now, Traffic Authority, they own the funnel too. So Stream 4 and Stream 1 are owned by the same company. Now, you can put any business you want in 2 or 3. Whatever business you want to do. I recommend if you don't have any businesses and you don't have an idea what to do, I'm making money right now, guys. Live Good is treating me right, and so is my lead gen. Okay, so those are the 4 income streams. And how you get going is just right here. All right, number 1, pleasewatchvideo.com. All you got to do is watch that video, click that big red button, and let's get you in. Okay, now let's get to the email from my buddy. And I sure appreciate it. And he goes by David, by the way. I know the name right there looks kind of crazy, but this is to David. And, he just said, I want to join all 3. Is there any way you can make like a tutorial or a video? And you know what? I appreciate it, David. I'm going to do that almost every day. I'm going to make me like 10 videos. And I'll just put up a couple that are just right to the point and make it easy. And this email that I sent David, it just says, hey, David, nice to meet you. Glad you're going to join all 3 opportunities. And to join the funnel, okay, pleasewatchvideo.com. So if you are watching this video, guys, just screenshot this, write it down. To join the multiple income funnel, you got to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, so you're going to join the 1-year membership level. I want everyone to get $200 commissions. So when you click to join, it's going to say $49 to join. After you click that, it's going to pop up a special discounted rate for 1-year membership. Okay, that's what you got to get. You need to get $200 commissions. Okay, be sure to write down your username and password to, of course, the multiple income funnel. Okay, now the number 2 out of the threesome. Okay, you're going to join multiple income funnel. Now you're going to join Live Good. How are you going to do that? Just go to joincory.com. That's me. Okay, this is my page. Enter your name and email. Click the orange button below. It says reserve my position. All right, go to your email and open the Live Good message. Then follow the instructions to join. Join for 1 year. And then also write down your username and password. Okay, so there's number 2 out of 3. Okay, now the third thing you need to join is what I talked about earlier, my lead gen secret. You go to orderleadstoday.com. Okay, and all these links are going to be below this video. So I know we're kind of chatting here about a bunch of stuff, but if you pause the video or look below this video, you can see all these links. So you're going to click the bottom left button that says join. after you go to order leads today. And then join, it's super easy. And then you're going to write down your username and password. And then when anyone joins me in business, I send them 110 emails and they go up every day. All right, I'll have 120, 130, 150. I'm more than happy to share all my emails, all my advice, my information. I don't have secrets. I don't sell information, guys. If something works for me, I'm the first to blab about it. No one makes more YouTube videos than me. Then if something's working, you can bet your butt I'm going to have 25 videos, telling everybody how to kick butt in all three of these opportunities. So just go ahead and write down the username and password to all three of these opportunities, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and help you with the multiple income funnel. I'll build that for you. I'm just going to need user ID when it comes down to Live Good, because when people click the Live Good icon, I want it to go right to where they sign up to you. And then also, I just need your 5-digit code with my lead gen. All this stuff is easier for me to do. And then what I do also is I send you emails of everything that I just talked about so you can just keep them. And what I want you to do is get good at setting up your funnel eventually, setting up my lead gen and using it eventually. And I'm going to help you with Live Good. And you're going to know Live Good eventually. Everything, it's not that hard. It's 3 things and just do one at a time. Once you know it, go to the second, go to the third. And then all of a sudden you're going to have everything all configured. And guess what? This is what I want you to do eventually. I want you to keep things simple. If you're on the street and someone comes up to you and says, "Hey, Cory, you know what? What's that thing on Facebook I saw you talking about?" Please watch video.com. Because inside the funnel is the funnel itself. Guess what? And Live Good and my lead gen. Everything is right there. And it just completely is ready to just go, "Sir, ma'am, if you're going to join this funnel, you should join Live Good." And what does Live Good need? It needs views and clicks, likes and love. Okay? There's my lead gen. Okay? Plus an insane amount of training on how to get views on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Guys, you got to get good at social media. Guys, you got to kick ass at emails. And you're going to. If you're in my team, you're going to. I'm going to have you sending out by summer probably 50,000 emails a day. And I want the company to pay you. I want you to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts with my lead gen. Why get one? Why go fishing with one fishing pole? Guess what? We use 5 to 10 fishing poles when you're in my group. We catch the most fish, we're going to kick the most ass. All right? If we're going to go big, we're going to go even bigger. All right? Go big or go home. You've heard that phrase. You know what? In my 220-pound, 6'2" ass, I'm not going home. I'm going to go kick some ass. I'm going to bring 20 fishing poles to that damn watering hole if I have to. I want to catch a tuna fish and a salmon. I like salmon patties. Have you guys ever had hamburger patties, but they're called salmon patties? They're so damn good. And I love tuna fish. I'm a tuna fish sandwich guy. All right, so thank you, David, by the way, for emailing me. And thank you for joining all 3 opportunities, okay? That puts me up to 333 people that have made a decision to sign up and kick some buns with me and Live Good. All right, I got probably 500 people signed up in my lead gen. Okay, and with the funnel, I signed up about 47 people just in the last 30 days in April. Okay, and 75% of the people, they sign up for the year. So you need to sign up for the year with the multiple income funnel. Just do it, and let's get your money back right away. The first 2 people that sign up for the year, guys, that's $400. Wonder if you can get just 10 people to sign up for 1 year. 10 people, couple a day here, then none for 2 or 3 days. And then maybe on the weekend, get a couple more people to sign up. Okay, there's $400, $400. All right, let's just get you $1,000 to $2,000 coming in. Okay, a little extra money. All right, you can save it, you can spend it, pay your taxes, buy your a cracked tooth. Maybe you need new glasses. Maybe you just need to, upgrade the tires on your car. Guys, it's the same effort to make $50 a month as it is $5,000. We just need to scale and we need to work smarter. That's all. We're going to have 4 incomes instead of 1. And we're going to do whatever we can to kick ass and Live Good. You need to get in Live Good. It's a slow burn. It takes 2 to 3 years to just get that thing nice and situated. Okay, and we're going to do it. But I want you to make thousands and thousands of dollars. I would really like to see that. That's my own disclaimer. It's my own opinion. But guys, I'm living it right now. Everything that I do is the same effort to make $50 a month as it is $5,000. And I can show you how to make 3 times that, 15,000 a month. It's the same effort. You just have different things available for people, and they're all affordable. We are not going to try to find one person that has 15,000. Okay? I would rather find hundreds and hundreds of people that have 49 bucks here, 49.95 there. And if they want to upgrade and do some fancy things, it's up to them on their budget. But guess what? I don't do high ticket stuff. Keep that maxed out credit card in your purse or your pocket. We're going to do baby steps. I don't want you joining me and be kind of financed out and nervous. Okay, if you need to save another week or two, save another week or two. You got to save a month. I don't care. I'm not going anywhere. I would like you in today. There's no doubt about that. But I would rather have you come in confident and comfortable. Maybe you need to sell something in the garage. But I'll tell you what, if you can raise 2, 3, 4, 500 bucks, just put that aside and let's invest it. And let's get it back. And remember, if you join for the year, guys, you got $200 commissions coming. It's a reality. There's not a day goes by that I don't get at least 1, 2, or 3. That's $200 to $600 a day. That's just the funnel. That doesn't include my lead gen. That doesn't include LiveGood. That doesn't include my commissions on Traffic Authority. Okay? And some other opportunities. I've got 7 right now, and they're all making money online. But let's just take baby steps. We'll get you in the funnel. We'll get you in LiveGood. We'll get you in my lead gen, because those 3 amigos, those 3 musketeers, those 3 wise men, trying to think of all the other 3, Three's Company. There was 2 beautiful girls, rest in peace. Suzanne Summers, Joyce, was it Joyce DeWitt? And John Ritter, man, rest in peace to that great guy too. But things are going good. Right now it is May 2nd of 2024. And all the opportunities that we've been talking about the last 15 minutes, they're just churning and burning. All right, they're really producing some nice income for me every single day. Not once a week, not once a month. And all 4 of these opportunities, they pay once a week, by the way. So if you have income in all 4, you don't have to wait a month or 3 months or have all these minimums where you have to raise 1 or 2 grand and then they finally give you your money. All right, with my lead gen, once you have a couple bucks, you can get paid every damn day if you got money. LiveGood pays every Thursday. And Traffic Authority mixed with the funnel, I usually know how much I'm going to make by Friday, tomorrow. And then I get the money Monday. So I know how much by Friday, and usually by Monday, I just check my bank. Rock and roll. So to get 4 incomes per week is really satisfying. And I'm going to do the best I can over the next week to make things nice and easy, where you can just go to a website and everything that I've been talking about the last 17, 18 minutes, it'll just be there nice, and just watch and just, okay, I want to join this. Okay, I need to save a little money before I do that. Okay, my lead gen, it's this much money, and I get these many leads, and we just do baby steps. All right. I'm not a fire sale guy. I'm not like, oh my God, those scare tactics. Join now, or the circus is out of town. Sunday morning they're packing up and they're leaving. You better go down to the circus and buy yourself some peanuts and a shirt. All right, I don't do that. Every opportunity I do, I make sure that they're in it for the long haul. I don't do fads. I just don't. If I'm going to put my time and energy into something, which is more valuable than time now, because I'm older now, all right? I'm damn near 60. Time is more valuable to me than money, okay? And it sucks. Believe me, I like when money is more valuable than time. If you're a youngster right now, 18, 28, 38, 48, you little moo, I'm so jealous. Good for you. But I'll tell you what, let's not waste time on stuff that doesn't make money. Okay, I don't. Yeah, I'm never going to say, hey, join this, and it's average. Okay, I don't do average. Not now. Maybe 10, 20, 30 years ago, hope and a prayer. Gee, I hope this works. No. Sheet or get off the pot. All right? I don't sit on the toilet after I'm done playing Candy Crush and sitting there for 2 hours with a ring around my ass for 5 hours after I stand up. Okay, if I'm done, I get up and go, okay, where's my baby wipes? Where's my Huggies? My cucumber aloe veras? Those are my faves. Okay? All right. Pleasewatchvideo.com. I'm done. I'm going to make it just like that for you. Okay? All right. Thank you for your time as we near on 20 minutes here, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay. Have a good one, guys, and we'll talk to you next video. Thank you.